Hello family, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again with another video. First of all, I want to apologize for those days without posting you guys anything, for not updating you on what was going on. The reason why I did not do that was because we had no electricity since it rained. Our posters were actually down, two of them, until yesterday. That's when they came to repair them, and that's when we got electricity. So I really apologize. I'm so sorry. And so in today's video, actually, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of a sagging skin on your face. Yeah, using just home remedies, like how to get your skin tight and glowy. This is actually what has helped me, and I've used it for some days, like for some good days now, like since the whole of last month. I'm actually like, I used to have this skin like this, yeah, like this, and also this side was actually like for an old woman. So since I started using it, I'm actually seeing my face is becoming somehow okay. So kindly subscribe, share, like, and comment. So the remedies actually that I'm going to use and get that tight skin, oh sorry, what we're going to use is actually the tomatoes. This is a slice of tomatoes. You don't have to use two of them, okay? And then sugar. This is brown sugar, okay? Brown sugar, you can see that, right? Brown sugar. So we're going to, when you're using this, you make sure your face, you've rinsed it. Like mine, I'm just from the bathroom, I've just rinsed it off, and it's just only to apply this mask. Can I call it mask or what? Yeah, tomatoes is good. It removes it. First of all, the tomatoes actually is used in beauties most of the times. And why I copied this, I actually copied this from Chinese. They normally use it. I saw one lady using it, yeah, and also the Indians, for anti-aging and getting your skin back to the youthful skin. So tomatoes is good for tightening your face, your skin, yeah, making it look young and very glowing, yeah, very tight, reducing those sagging skin, that wrinkles, yeah, that oily skin. That is the use of the tomatoes. Then the use of the sugar is good to, it still works like tomatoes. It actually closes those open spots on your face and dries the pimples, those blackheads, yeah, black spots, sorry, black spots, and leave your skin very healthy and useful, okay? So you have to actually scrub it very well. Continue scrubbing it. This process, you can actually use it 3 times a week. That is if you're free and you're not busy. Either you can say you can start using it on Friday and Sunday and Monday. But if you're busy, you can use it only on weekends. Yeah. Or you can use it also as your morning routine or your evening routine. Before you go to sleep, you apply it on your face and leave it to dry. Yeah. Then you can rinse, and then you apply your moisturizer, and then you go to bed. Just as that. Tomorrow when you wake up when your skin is very healthy, very useful, and very young. Yeah. For those ones who have watched my videos of long time ago, not even long time ago, of last year, things like that, yeah, you can see now that my skin is very changed. Yeah, if you can see, if you can notice, you can notice that, you can see that my skin is changed now. You make sure you even scrub down here. Yeah, take your time. Ooh, wait, sorry. it's actually sliding. Take your time, scrub it, scrub it, scrub it, scrub it. Keep on scrubbing, 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 scrub it. Also, the use of the sugar helps in cleaning your skin, cleansing it. All the dirt of the makeup that you normally wear every day, the oils that we smell on our skin, things like that. So the sugar clears that. Yeah. So we are done with the scrubbing. We are done. So we leave it to dry, and you actually have to take your time, let it dry completely, because the more you leave it to dry, the more it works, it clears all the everything on your face. Okay, leave it to dry completely, and then you rinse it off. Okay, so I'll get back to you when it's dry. Stay tuned, kindly subscribe, share and like. So guys, hey, it's not really easy to leave it to dry, but I thank God it's now dry. You have to, the 15 minutes is long, and I've waited, has been exceeded 20 minutes. Yes, 20 minutes. Actually, you have to leave it dry completely till you feel your skin is tight. Yeah, yeah. So you can see that it is dry. That is all is a sugar. You all know that sugar remains like that when it is on your skin. It leaves something like that. So it is dry, as you can see. You can see that it is dry. So let me rinse it and get back, and we see the results after that. Yeah, back from rinsing. So this is how the face looks like. I haven't actually cleaned it, wiped the water away. Yeah, but I feel like I'm really fresh. Yeah, so yes. And when you're rinsing your face after using the tomatoes, you actually have to rinse your face with cold water. Don't use the soap, just rinse it like that, normal like that. Don't use warm water, don't use any homo, don't use anything, just rinse your face like that. And you are good to go. Just check on that, how the face will look young. Who will now know that I'm a mother. Now you see, when you do this, when you finish to actually, maybe in the morning you're waking up and you want to do your makeup, and then now you do your makeup after this, the results that you're going to get, they're really wow, like wow. So you will look like a 20-year-old girl, a 20 or 18-year-old girl. So kama kawaida, as usual, I use my Aramis, yes, to just moisturize your face. Moisturize it and look it and make it just soft. You can use any moisturizer that you normally use on your skin, on your face. You can use it, but for me I prefer Aramis. I prefer this one. It's best for me because it has no smell. I actually don't like oils with much smell. Since I gave birth, I don't like them. I want something silent. So that is my face. Rate it from the videos of long time ago to today's videos. Rate it. Yeah, so thank you. That is the video for today. Please try it out and come back and comment, and we see. Or you take a small selfie of your face only and then post it at the comment section and let us see how it is. Okay, bye. Kindly subscribe. Okay.